Hi, James McCloskey from Remax Realty Enterprises here in beautiful South Burlington. My new listing here at 495 Scarlett Crescent. There's so much to love about this area. Large mature trees, beautiful lot. You can hear the birds chirping. We're just a couple minutes away from Nelson High School, which has a large pool and a great splash pad for the family. It's a quiet, family-friendly street. Again, all I can hear is the birds chirping. I got a modern 3-bed, 2-bath bungalow with a beautiful lot, and I can't wait to take you on a tour. Welcome to 495 Scarlett Crescent. The foyer welcomes you with its modern staircase and open concept design. The chef's kitchen is stunning with modern cabinets, large island, quartz countertops, backsplash, built-in appliances, balanced lighting, pot lights, and overlooks the stunning backyard. The living and dining room feature hardwood floors, pot light, great open concept design, and walkout to the custom back deck. The principal bedroom overlooks the stunning backyard and has hardwood floors, double closet with closet organizers, and large window. The second and third bedroom feature hardwood floors, double closet with closet organizers, and large windows. The basement was renovated in 2021 and has many impressive features. The recreation room has a cozy gas fireplace, vinyl floors, pot lights, and a great open concept layout. Great for a family movie night or reading a book in front of the fireplace. The office has great built-in storage cabinets, window, and vinyl floors. The basement features a unique and handy walk-up to the private and stunning backyard. The custom back deck is impressive in size and a great spot to enjoy a morning coffee, evening glass of wine, or entertain your guests at a barbecue. Hope you enjoyed the tour here today at 495 Scarlett Crescent. Look at this beautiful yard and massive deck. Great for entertaining, great for having friends over, morning coffee or evening glass of wine. And then you come into the house. Beautifully modern, as I said, custom, absolutely perfect for your family. Message me today for your private tour, or I'll answer any questions that you have. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax, and have yourself a beautiful day.